Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to broadcast on Happs with multiple audio inputs. Coming right up. Alright, today we're going to take you to Happs. And Happs is what I'm using as a broadcasting studio for broadcasting. And I'm using OBS as the software to present scenes. Let's go to Happs. I'll take you to the settings that I have here. This video is mainly for my purpose because I don't forget what the settings are. So if anyone out there is wanting to broadcast and would like to commentate and watch a YouTube video at the same time, or just do reaction videos or whatever, you can do it like this. Okay, let's go. In Happs Broadcasting Studio, you go here. You can see on the bottom I have the aggregate device selected for my microphone. I have other choices here, but the aggregate device is the one that works well for me. The OBS virtual camera is selected as my camera, and I'll take you there to OBS now. So here you'll see OBS. I selected virtual camera, and if I press that now, it'll stop sharing all these scenes that you can see here. Anyway, so then there's another scene here which I call OBS and Happs and sound and audio and this YouTube video. For the output, I created a multiple output device, and here the input, I created the aggregate device. The input aggregate device is here. I've selected the iShowU audio capture, which is a software that captures audio from my iMac. And the reason that I need the iShowU is because, according to our forum at obsproject.com//forum, you can Google that. The desktop audio on Mac currently requires a second program to help OBS capture it, since macOS does not provide a way to capture audio built in. You can accomplish this with a program called iShowU. So there you have it. I'll show you. It's getting late, guys. This is the iShowU where you can get it. You can go to download the installer. iShowU is an audio capture. It's an extension to the OS X. iShowU also has an iShowU Studio and an iShowU Instant. So the aggregate device that I have as an audio in, I wanted to aggregate or have these two included as one. You can think of an aggregate device as like a microphone. All devices in the aggregate device will be as one input device. So these two will become one, hence the name aggregate. iShowU has the in and out, two ins and two out channels. The Yeti has the in, two ins channels with the drift correction selected, as the iShowU is the clock source. All of these devices need to be the same as the clock source with the sample rate, 42 hertz and whatever bit rate it is. If not, then select drift correction. I created a multiple output device. If you want to create an aggregate device or a multiple output device, just select this plus button. It'll show you create aggregate device or create multiple aggregate device. I wanted to be able to hear the audio playing from the computer. I can't hear myself speak, which is fine. I'm okay with that now. This multiple output device is what I want to be able to hear through my headphones. So I want to be able to hear the iShowU audio capture that's coming out of the computer. I selected this because it's my headphones, and if I didn't select it, I wouldn't be able to hear it. If you are familiar with OBS, this is what you do. You go to the settings. So we got audio settings. I've got the Yeti as the mic auxiliary audio 1, and the iShowU audio capture as mic auxiliary 2, audio 2. The monitoring device is the aggregate device, which is the input device that I want Happs to see. So on OBS, I have this audio mixer here. So if you select this cog, you go to properties, you make sure it's the right device. So yeah, that's the Yeti, and you can rename that as well. And this is the iShowU capture. Yep, Just checking. And now you go to advanced. So in advanced, you can see the I show you and the Yeti. The I show you is monitor and output, while the Yeti is the monitor only. I muted the output because I didn't want the echo happening, which I don't know, maybe it doesn't. I mean, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch this anymore. It's fine. Leave it like that because you have some choices here. You got monitor off, monitor only, mute output, monitor and output. Okay, this mode will output the sound of the source to the stream and desktop audio separately. This allows for individual audio control, such as listening to game audio while the sound is muted for the stream. I hope that helped you, but I'm so glad I learned it, and I hope you guys will implement this as well. This is specifically for Mac users anyway, but I think it would be less complicated if you had a PC, because PCs would probably pick up the audio perfectly on the OBS, so no need for a audio capture. I don't know why Mac doesn't just give us that, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. It was great to be able to do this broadcasting, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And I'll mute my mic. Thank you for watching, and if you found that video to be useful and helpful in any way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like it. And if you don't want to miss out on any more videos about learning how to edit on Final Cut Pro and learn how to broadcast live, then hit that subscribe button, as that will be the best way for you to also help my channel out. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.